Hi guys, I'm back with another easy recipe and today we are making bounty buns. These buns are so good that you are going to make it again and again. We'll start by making a dough. Take half cup of lukewarm milk, add 1/4 cup of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your yeast will be foamy. Cut coconut in small pieces. If you don't have fresh coconut, you can also use desiccated coconut, add condensed milk, and make thick paste. And start making our bounty filling. Then refrigerate it for 1 hour. For chocolate dough, we'll take 1 cup of flour, add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you like more chocolatey, you can add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yeast is ready. Now we'll add this yeast mixture and make a soft dough. Add butter and knead this dough for 5 minutes. Then cover it and let it rest for 1 hour until your dough is doubled in size. Punch it down and remove all the air bubbles from the dough. Roll it and add our coconut filling. Pinch the ends of the dough and make a bounty shape. Let it rest for 1 hour. Preheat your oven on the highest temperature and bake these buns for around 10 minutes on middle rack. After 10 minutes, check your buns and take it out from the oven. Apply butter on the top, garnish with chocolate, sprinkle some desiccated coconut, and your chocolatey bounty buns are ready. Eat with joy. See you next time.